What's up, everybody? It's D Money from quitmyjob.com. Today we're doing in-house check. I'm gonna show you what you look for as repairs and stuff like that to kind of quickly estimate the repairs. So let's get it. All right, we're on the inside. The first thing you want to check is you want to check for windows. They range from, it just depends on what county, what city you're in, what state you're in, and they go for, and this house here is gutted already. So as you can see, let me tell y'all, look at it. So you want to just start estimating repairs. So first start with the windows, and that could go from anywhere from range from $2 to $350 a pop. Depends on the size. And you want to look at, far as, did they start any AC work, all the inductors okay, the electrical stuff like that, because that's some of the big stuff. And the roof, that's the main thing you worry about if you're trying to do a wholesale deal. You don't want to worry about anything else. You want to look at the foundation, make sure any cracks in the concrete, stuff like that. So because those are more of the major repairs that they have to do. So let's check it out, man. Y'all walk the property with me, and let's go along. All right, so here's the AC right here. Check the inductors right there going out to the roof. Doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Got the electrical started. You know, some of these windows are intact, so that's a good thing. You just have to polish those up. You count the windows as well. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one needs to be replaced. So one window. And you want to just take account of that. 2 windows need to be replaced. The roof. The roof is fairly decent. Look, this window is cracked, so you want to count that. Add that just in there on the rough repairs. I'll look at the foundation. Don't see any visible cracks or anything like that. So let's go outside and check out the back, and make sure when you're in the property, get as many pictures as possible, get as many videos as possible. Look at the doors as well. The doors is good. And you want to go out and check the back of the house. Let's look at the back. Let's look at the back and see how the back look. That's the house right here. I'm gonna put the address on it because you may be able to do a deal with this. So you go around back, check it out. Walking out the back, checking out the back, though. Fairly decent sized backyard. You want to look at the outside, look at the gutters. Stuff like that. It's the backyard. They got some stuff back here. Maybe get some rims for it. You know. So it's the basics, man. You want to check it out, get as many pictures as possible. You know, 20 to 30 if possible, and make a video up and down the street, and go from there, man. So this is just a quick walkthrough, show y'all what I look for in properties. Show y'all. Then you run the numbers. You get under contract and you go from there, man. So all you gotta do is D-Money signing off from hvac.com, where we show you how to get paid, make money online and offline. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've been checking out any houses this week. Let me know what area you're in, and if you need a list of cash buyers for your deals, hit me up in the comments and let me know. I can send them out to you. Any state that I have the info in, I can send them to you. D-Money from hvac.com. Peace.